lock switch in the 2005 Malibu. We're going to do it now, and it will literally take 2 to 3 minutes. Okay? So here we go. It's a Dorman 901131, and we're going to replace the door lock switch. So if you want to zoom in here, I'm going to show you how to pull this out of here. We're going to go like this. We're going to throw a screwdriver in here. Okay, there we go. We lifted that up. We throw one in here. We throw it in here. Put another one up here. All right, we're almost out. As you can see, there we are. Okay, here's the door lock switch. We're going to use a pair of needle nose pliers. We're actually going to push this button here and pull the switch out. I think we're actually going to remove the switch first. So we'll pull this on both sides. All right. There's one. There's the other one. And we've just pushed that out the back. We've got a little latch here. There we go. You see that? We got that. We're going to push the switch out. There it is. Boom. That's out. We'll set it there. We open up the new switch. All right. We're here. This goes in like this. So the new switch goes in like this. So we snap it in. All right, that snaps in place. We bring this over. There we got our 3 lever. Oh, look over here. I can lock it. See? I can unlock it, so we know the switch is working. All right. So we're totally locked back in place. We just move this over here, and we go, and we're done.